Hey Cacher, Derek here, Big Six Clan. Today I'm going to give you a quick update on a challenge that Chad and I have going on with Gadget Talk, and that is for the May 3rd episode. And the challenge is to build a Star Wars inspired gadget cache or creative cache. And as you know, Star Wars is like one of my favorite movies and shows and all that. So this was really exciting to me. But I wanted to give you kind of what I'm going to be doing. I'm not actually going to go into the build today, but I'm going to show you the parts that I'm going to be building. And what's kind of fun about this one, Chad is doing another variation of kind of the same build using kind of the same puzzle aspects of it, but we're going to be doing it in different ways in different containers. So that kind of makes it kind of a lot of fun on this one. But of course, I'm going to be using PVC board, and this is basically going to be about the size I'm thinking of what the console is going to be for the buttons. And the buttons, because this is going to be a button puzzle, it's going to be kind of fun. And we've done one of these button puzzles explaining how to do this on Gadget Talk before, so I got to go back and look at that video to make sure I get all the wiring right as I'm doing this, but it's going to be a lot of fun. And the buttons that I'm using, and I found these, are these video game buttons, and I actually was able to find them in different colors and instead of just plain white. And so I think these are going to be a lot of fun to do. And once I get the buttons and you do the puzzle correctly, it's going to fire one of these cabinet latches. And this cabinet latch is just a simple cabinet latch. This is a 12-volt latch, I believe it is. And so that's going to fire that to open the door once you solve the puzzle. And we'll be getting into more of how to do the puzzle later on. But it's going to be a lot of fun. And the other thing I'm going to be using is this 9-volt. This is a 12-volt. This is actually a 12-volt AA packet that's actually going to be supplying the power. So these are all the parts I'm going to be using, and now I just got to start putting it all together, work up the final designs of how to do this. And I'm sorry I'm not going to get into the build this week. I got so much going on right now that I wanted to go through this, and I'm going to be building this throughout the week as I'm getting other projects and I have time to kind of sit down and do some stuff. But I wanted to go through this real quick. The other thing is, when you get these buttons, it comes with one type of I don't know what this is called. It's where the connection, down here where you're going to connect your wires. Well, you have to get a different type of connection, and these are the connections so that when you're going through the puzzle and you hit the wrong button, it cancels it out. And that's what these connections are. And I'm going to have links for all of these, for the buttons, the 12-volt battery pack, the other cabinet latch, and all that's going to be links in the description. Those are affiliate links, and it does help the channel, so I really do appreciate it. But join us on Gadget Talk, as Chad's going to be building his on Gadget Talk. I'm going to be building mine here, and of course the final reveal will be on the May 3rd 2022 Gadget Talk that night, when we are revealing the different Star Wars themed caches from our viewers and everything. So check that out. I really do hope you will join us on that night. But hey, let me know in the comments, what do you think about this build? How else can I make this look more Star Wars-like when I'm doing this, with other than the LED buttons that are going to light up, how the console. I've got some ideas, but I want to hear what you think. So leave me a comment down below, let me know. And don't worry, go check out another one of these videos just right over here and find the story behind the cache.